Hi, I'm Dr. Kirsten Ellis from Monash University, and today I'm going to introduce you to some tape blocks. This is a red tape block, and it's for power. When you're inserting a battery in, make sure that you can see the plus sign. That's the correct way. So when you put it in so that you can see the plus side facing out. This is a light tape block. To make a circuit, we need a power source, a light, and something that connects them together. So the tape actually is used in these blocks to connect them together. We have a power block and a light block, and by pushing them together, we turn the light on. Pulling them apart actually acts like a switch. So we turn them on and we turn it off, and we turn it on and we turn it off. Now this light block is a special light block because it works two different ways, two directions. So if we put it together this way, we end up with a red light. But if we turn it around, we get a blue light. So it doesn't matter which way you connect this light, you always end up with a circuit that works. So this way it's a blue light. This way it's a red light. Okay. This block here that looks a little bit like a battery is actually a little motor. It's a little vibration motor. So when we connect it to a battery, there's a vibration motor running, so I can feel it in my hands.